more than 50 container 43. We have Atlantic Ocean, about 50% of the world trade. Yes, then why not invest in the Panama flag, which is Atlantic flag, ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency. Invest in yourself, as Maestro Warren Buffett says. Whenever there is inflation, dear ship owner, container ship owner, invest in your container ships. Where? Talent retention. Why invest in the Indian and the Pacific if we're talking about Atlantic trade? And we have a Panama flag. We have therefore just opened too many officers, total 40,000 officers in America. Perhaps by ship owners investing, I am investing, sí, invierto. Therefore, we can decide 25 Spanish language, 25 English language. Of course, top 4, so they have communications with the technical or HR or whatever teams. They can have English as a must, but it is a 25% difference between this wage scale or that wage scale, which is not small gap, is it? Then we can have, without English, 40,000 officers in Latin America. Yeah, it's not a small number, sorry. We could also add some Spanish with no English, of course, yes, but there's not so many. Europe is like that. So then we can talk about the English language and then add those. And then we can also quote, let's say, 25 ships, no English, 25 containers with, and then we can also add those without US visa and go for the Cuba and Venezuela and pools, because no one is doing that. Everybody's doing what everybody's doing. If you are the first one, dear ship owner, and put these 50 ships with Candina, I will give you a special fee today because I feel happy. It's a Friday, isn't it? Same for you. And I, as CEO, I'm here. Hello. So we can both negotiate the best deal ever for these 50, and then another 50, and then another 50, and then another 50, 200 ships. Yes, Latinos, we can do it today. Thank you very much indeed, container ship owner. Problem solved. Bye.